Hey guys, Jarl Kubat here with West USA Realty and Arizona 55 Plus Communities. I specialize in selling homes in active adult retirement communities throughout the greater Phoenix metro area. Right behind me, I'm going to give you a tour of a brand new listing I have in the 55 Plus community of Sunland Village East in Mesa, Arizona. So hang on, we'll give you some live, raw, unedited, lots of blooper video. So I'm standing in front of this home here in Sunland Village East. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,685 square feet, built in 1990. It's an all-block home with a brick front. It's got vinyl soffits and aluminum fascia all the way around the house, so very little exterior maintenance. All the windows were replaced in 2009. The heating and cooling system was replaced in 2019 to the tune of about $7,000. And the hot water heater was replaced in 2018. So really nice home. This is a custom floor plan for Sunland Village East. So many of these 55 plus communities build a series of track homes that offer different upgrades to it. But this home was a Leisure World floor plan, and the people brought it to the builder Farnsworth and had that floor plan built in Sunland Village East. So hang on and we'll take you inside. So if you're going to live here in the summertime, this is really important. This is a beautiful front patio. This faces north. The home is on the south side of the street facing north. But this is a large patio, and the whole garage sticks out in front of the house to the west. So if you're here in the summertime, you want to sit on your front patio and enjoy the shade here and the coolness of it. This patio will be 25 degrees warmer than the west side of the house. So a very nice patio. That front window there is the master bedroom. Now, I'm not sure if you can see it off this video, but from this front patio, we have views of the top of the Superstition Mountain Range, and it is a pretty good view here. This is looking to the east, and then this here is looking straight across the street to the south. And this is looking down the street to the west. So stepping just inside the front door, we got a large formal entryway here, looking straight in to the family room here. Very nice foyer here. And then, like I said, all the windows were replaced in 2009, and we have plantation shutters on all the windows. All of the furniture that you're going to see in this video is available with the purchase of the home. And then as we look here to the right here, you'll see that hutch. There's patio doors. That is your formal dining area. And then we're going to look into the kitchen just past this hallway. We got a patio door in the kitchen and one in the dining area going out to that back patio. If I go left, right after I enter the front door, that'll take me to the bedrooms. The master bedroom is towards the front of the home, and the guest bedroom is to the back. Still standing in the front living room, looking back towards that front door entryway, got a hallway closet. Lots of nice storage in this home. Lots of closets for the size of the home. Again, it's 1,685 square foot, built in 1990, 2 bedrooms, 2 bath. It really is a custom floor plan for Sunland Village East. And this is the large bay window here in the living room area. Here's a large kitchen. Nice and open, and plenty of room if you wanted to put a center island in there. As we go to the right of the refrigerator here, just before entering the laundry room, that doorway straight ahead is a large walk-in pantry. We don't see much of that in any of these homes in Sunland Village East either. Straight ahead then, before you enter the garage, is the laundry room. Hey guys, so the current HOA fees for Sunland Village East is $575 a year. There's a one-time transfer fee of $255, and there's a one-time capital improvement fee, which most of these 55 plus communities have. That's currently $1,250, one-time fee. For the $575 a year, you get the swimming pools, the fitness center, HOA. We got a softball field. We got, I believe, 9 pickleball courts and lots of tennis courts, horseshoe, shuffleboard, bocce ball, you name it. Really nice community. We got a great sports bar and restaurant called Fat Willie's. Very reasonable prices and numerous events going throughout the winter and summer in that community. So please enjoy the rest of the video and let me know if you have any other questions. Standing in the kitchen, looking at the patio door out the back door here. Looking back into the great room area with those doorways. And then looking back towards this large walk-in pantry. And it really is nice size. Kind of hard to get the gist of it off the video here, but there is a pocket door that closes it off. And there's also a pocket door that closes the laundry room off from the kitchen. Here is your laundry room with cupboards above the washer and dryer. Looking at the dining room and living area from another angle, that's the large bay window. Here is your guest bathroom. And then straight across from the bathroom is another hallway closet. There's a skylight in the bathroom here as well, one of those solar skylight tubes. And you've got your linen and clothes hamper in the cabinet to the right, just before the bathtub there. There's a pull-out drawer that you put your laundry basket in and a linen closet above that. Very large master bedroom, and this is, I believe, a California king-size bed. Looking back towards the front, and then down to the left there, you'll see a doorway opening. That is your master bath. Here's your master bath, double sinks, and then a good-sized shower to the left. And then again, we've got a linen closet and a pull-out cupboard below there for your laundry hamper. Still in the master bedroom. That doorway goes out to the hallway, and then straight across is the guest bedroom. And then that doorway there is a large walk-in closet for the master bedroom. The home has been very well maintained. This is a one-owner home. And then here's walking into the guest bedroom. Again, this is a queen-size bed, but it's a very large guest bedroom with a whole wall double closets. And then here's your double closets again. Very unique home, unique find. We don't get too many like this in Sunland Village East. Well, actually, this really is a one-of-a-kind. But very, very nice home. Standing in the backyard in the southwest corner of the lot, looking up the side of the garage and the west side of the home, is your garbage cans. There's a wall there that hides them from the street. And then this is your back patio. And then this is looking to the east. And again, that heating and cooling system down there was replaced in 2019, last year. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Again, my name is Jarl Kubat with West USA Realty. I specialize in selling homes across the valley in 55+ communities. Please visit my website at www.justjarl.com or give me a call at 480-710-6326. I look forward to meeting you in person, and I truly appreciate your business. Thank you, and have a great day.